In this video, I'm going to show you how you can smooth skin here within Premiere Pro. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to make skin look smoother here in Premiere Pro, this is the video for you. The first thing that you're going to want to do is select your clip and actually go ahead and navigate to the effects panel. From here, go ahead and search up VRD noise just like so and drag this onto your clip. And keep in mind, this can be a video or a picture. It doesn't necessarily matter. After doing so, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually go to the effect controls panel up here and scroll down until you see that VRD noise effect. And under this noise level section right here, go ahead and change this value to around 30. Now, if this is a moving clip and it's not directly in focus, this is going to go ahead and change this value to 0.3 or 0.30. This is going to soften and smooth skin tones. Just keep in mind that doing this too much is going to make your videos look a little bit weird, and it's best to experiment on this yourself to get the exact number that you want to go ahead and use. For example, in this one, this makes it look just a little too smooth if we zoom in. So I'm going to go ahead and change this just a little bit, and we're going to do 0.15 instead. And as you can see, that looks so much better. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.